Welcome back to my $15,000 bankroll challenge. These are the rules we've been using for the last few weeks. We are on week 9 today, and with that, we have actually made a little bit of money. So if you need to pause the screen on this, on the rules here, you can. All right. Also, here's the bet spread that we've been using. Hopefully, you're familiar with that by now. And then this is what kind of we're probably most interested in, is that we are gaining money over time. All right. So this is kind of been 8 weeks worth. We're going to do week 9 today, and then week 10 next week, and that will finish out our series. And at the end of that week 10, I want to kind of bring up something that some of you have talked about in the comments, and I think you're going to like where this is going next, because there is going to be a next after that. But for right now, let's talk about week 9. So last week, week 8, excuse me, we finished with $15,995. So $5 short of $16,000. So I'm going to get that for you here. These are in groups of 5. So 5, 10, 15,000 and $1,000 chips. Now again, you don't bring your whole bankroll to the casino, but I want to show you kind of what it looks like here. So that's 15,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 500 with the blacks. All right, that's also in groups of, these are groups of 4, so another 100. So that's 500, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then this would be 16,000. That's too much, so we're going to take off one of those, right? So we're back to 16,900. And so I'm going to put the greens here. So 69, and we need $95. So this is 25, 50, 75, and then 80, 85, 90, 95 with the red. All right, so we will put these over here off to the side. I'm going to get our double deck shuffled up for us here, and then we're going to play 2 shoes of double deck today with our penetration of about half a deck cut off. So let me get these shuffled up for us, and then we'll get going. All right, like usual, we're going to be cutting off right around a half a deck or so. All right, so there's the penetration you can see. Got our $10 out here, and we got our burn card. Put that off to the side. Are you ready to count? Ready, get set, let's go. Ooh, good luck on the ace. All right, let's count this out, see if my count was the same as what you got, and if we were right or not. So starting back here at 0 plus the burn card, we should get the opposite. So we have 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 1, 0, D1, 0, D1, 0, 1, 0, D1. All right, and with the burn card, D2. All right, so since this is -2, this should get us +2. That was what I had for the count. Hopefully you did as well. So that means that our bets were correct. All right, we're going to shuffle this up and do it one more time and see if we can end with a win. I think that first one we might have had a bit of win here, so let's see if we can keep it going. Okay, again, we're cutting off half of a deck here. Right about there. All right, got my minimum bet out of $10. And oops, better get a burn card. Ready, count, ready, get set. Let's go. All right, once again, I have my counts written down there. Let's see if we were correct or not. I kind of went well into that last hand, which is nice for the penetration, but unfortunately we lost both of those. So sometimes that happens that way. All right, let's see. So this plus the burn card sheet goes back to 0. Let's see, I have D1, 0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D3, D2, D1, 0, and 1. All right, so I had +1 here, which means that our count should have been -1, and that is what I had. All right, so I think our bets were correct for the most part. And with that said, let's count it up here and see if we made any money. This is, I didn't tap into the thousands at all, so that's still 15,000. I am going to color up, or to exchange, I should say, my 250s here for a red. All right, so let's do that. And then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. So another 1,000, so 16,000. So we made money today. Let's see, 16,000. Oops, 2, 3, 4, 100, 200, 25. These are in groups of 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. All right. So 25, 50, 75, that'd be 300 for those. And then 25, 30, 35. So this is 16,335. So I'll write that in here for us. $16,335. Both of our counts were correct today, so that means we played perfectly. As long as we were judging correctly with the discard tray. All right, here's kind of the total. We have one more week to go. Hopefully we can stay above 16,000 and over those 20 hands, or 20, shoes of double deck. Hopefully we can make about 1,000 or more on that. So with that said, please hit the like button if you enjoy this. And next week, remember, I got the announcement coming about what's going to be next after we get done with week 10. We'll see you then.